welcome. In this video we are going to learn about division of rational numbers.
Let us understand the method of dividing two rational numbers. If a by b and c by d are any two rational numbers such that c by d is not equal to 0, then a by b divided by c by d is equal to a by b multiplied by reciprocal of c by d, which is equal to a by b multiplied by reciprocal of c by d is d by c. If c by d is equal to 0, then the division a by b divided by c by d is not defined. This implies that division by 0 is not defined. Let us see why division by 0 is not defined. That is, 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0, and so on are not defined. Let us understand this. 1 by 10, we all know it is 0.1. 1 by 5, in decimal form it is equal to 0.2. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. What if we take 1 by 0.1? This expression is equal to, we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So we get 10 by 0.1 times 10 is 1. As the point shifts one place towards the right, which is equal to 10. Now if we take 1 by 0.01, this will be equal to, we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 100 to make the denominator as a whole number. So we get 100 by 0.01 times 100. Since 100 has two zeros, we shift the point 2 places towards the right. So we get 1 as the answer in the denominator. 100 by 1 is 100. Same way, 1 by 0.001 will be equal to 1000. 1 by 0.0001 will be equal to 10,000. And 1 by 0.00001 will be equal to 1 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 1 lakh. So now what if the denominator is 0? So what will be the exact value? In all these examples that I gave you, you can see that we moved the denominator closer to 0. We kept decreasing the denominators. So the value of these kept increasing. 0.1, 0.2, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. And now if the denominator is equal to 0, we don't know what is the exact value of this. That is, if we place 1 and we don't know how many zeros will come next to 1. That is, we don't know what is the exact value of this expression. That's why we say the value of this is infinite or not defined. Hence, division by 0 is not defined. Let us see how to solve sums on division of rational numbers. First question, evaluate. Minus 21 by 16 divided by minus 7 by 8. Answer, minus 21 by 16 divided by minus 7 by 8. This expression is equal to minus 21 by 16 multiplied by, we take the reciprocal of minus 7 by 8. That is 8 by minus 7. Next step. Now we need to follow the method of multiplication of rational numbers. Let us multiply minus 21 by 16 by 8 by minus 7. We take product of their numerators by product of their denominators. Let us now cancel all the common factors. 21 and 7 have 7 as common factor. So let's cancel it. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 1 is 7. And 8 and 16 have 8 as common factor. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Now this expression is equal to, we are left out with minus 3 times 1 in the numerator and 2 times minus 1 in the denominator. This expression is equal to, minus 3 times 1 is minus 3 by, in the denominator we have 2 times minus 1, which is minus 2. Now we have both numerator and denominator with the same sign, so it is a positive rational number. So we get 3 by 2. Since it is in improper form, we will convert this into mixed form, which is equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer. Next question. 8 by minus 5 divided by 24 by 25. Answer. 8 by minus 5 divided by 24 by 25. This expression is equal to 8 by minus 5 multiplied by, we take the reciprocal of 24 by 25, that is 25 by 24. This expression is equal to, now we will multiply 8 by minus 5 times 25 by 24. Product of their numerators by product of their denominators. Let us now cancel all the common factors. 8 and 24 have 8 as common factor. So let's cancel it. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. And 25 and 5 have 5 as common factor. So let's cancel it. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 1 is 5. Now this expression is equal to, we are left out with 1 times 5 in the numerator by minus 1 times 3 in the denominator. This expression is equal to 1 times 5 is 5 by minus 1 times 3 is minus 3. 5 by minus 3 is a negative rational number since the numerator and denominator have opposite signs. So this expression is equal to minus 5 by 3. This is the answer. Next question. 0 divided by minus 4 by 7. Answer. 0 divided by minus 4 by 7. This expression is equal to 0 multiplied by reciprocal of minus 4 by 7. That is minus 7 by 4. This expression is equal to 0 multiplied by any rational number is 0. This is the answer. Next question. Evaluate minus 7 by 11 divided by minus 3 by 44. Answer. Minus 7 by 11 divided by minus 3 by 44. This expression is equal to minus 7 by 11 multiplied by reciprocal of minus 3 by 44, which is 44 by minus 3. This expression is equal to product of their numerators by product of their denominators. Now let's cancel all the common factors. 44 and 11 have 11 as common factor. So let's cancel it. 11 times 4 is 44. 11 times 1 is 11. Now this expression is equal to, in the numerator we have minus 7 times 4, and in the denominator we have 1 times minus 3. This expression is equal to, minus 7 times 4 is minus 28 by 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. Now, minus 28 by minus 3 is a positive rational number since the numerator and denominator have same signs. So this expression is equal to 28 by 3. Since 28 by 3 is in improper form, let's convert it into mixed form. So 28 divided by 3. 3 times 9 is 27. Let's subtract it. Remainder is 1. So we are going to write it in the form of Q R by D. So 28 by 3 is equal to, Q is 9, R is 1 and D is 3. So 9 1 by 3 is the answer. Next question. Evaluate minus 3 by 4 divided by minus 9. Answer. Minus 3 by 4 divided by minus 9, this expression is equal to minus 3 by 4 multiplied by reciprocal of minus 9 is 1 by minus 9. Now this expression is equal to, let's multiply minus 3 by 4 by 1 by minus 9. We will take the product of their numerators by product of their denominators. Let's cancel the common factors. 3 and 9 have 3 as the common factor. 3 times 1 gives 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So this expression is equal to minus 1 times 1 in the numerator by 4 times minus 3 in the denominator. This expression is equal to minus 1 times 1 is minus 1 by 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. This is equal to minus 1 by minus 12 is a positive rational number. It is equal to 1 by 12. This is the answer. Second question. The product of two rational numbers is minus 2. If one of them is 4 by 7, find the other. First, let's understand the question. If we multiply two rational numbers, the product is equal to minus 2. If one of the rational numbers is 4 by 7, we need to find the other rational number. First, let's write what is given. The product of two rational numbers is equal to minus 2. And one of the numbers is equal to 4 by 7. Therefore, the other rational number is equal to minus 2 divided by 4 by 7. That is minus 2 divided by 4 by 7. This expression is equal to minus 2 multiplied by reciprocal of 4 by 7. That is 7 by 4. Let's cancel the common factors. 2 and 4 have 2 as common factor. Let's cancel it. 2 times 1 gives 2. 2 times 2 gives 4. This expression is equal to, in the numerator we have minus 1 times 7, which is minus 7, by, in the denominator we have 2. Minus 7 by 2 is the other rational number. Third question. If 3.5 liters of milk costs rupees 49, find the cost of 1 liter of milk. Answer. First, let's write what is given. Cost of 3.5 liters of milk is equal to rupees 49. We need to find the cost of 1 liter of milk. Therefore, cost of 1 liter of milk will be equal to rupees 49 divided by 1 by 2. This expression is equal to rupees 49 divided by, we will convert 1 by 2 into improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 2. This expression is equal to rupees 49 multiplied by reciprocal of 7 by 2 is 2 by 7. Let's cancel the common factors. 49 and 7 have 7 as common factor. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 1 is 7. This expression is equal to rupees. In the numerator we have 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. And in the denominator we have 1. So 14 by 1 is 14. Therefore, cost of 1 liter of milk is rupees 14.
Thank you for watching. Practice the sums given in the worksheet. Happy learning.